Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylee. I'm coming to you with another wig review. This is from Aidaiya Hair. I purchased hair from them before, and this unit does come with 4 clips and adjustable straps in the back. It is pre-plucked. Right now I'm testing it out to see where I like it and how it does fit on my head before I cut the lace off and things like that. And as you can tell, it does come with a very natural hairline. I am not going to pluck this unit because I want you to see a unit that is beginner friendly. That if you don't know how to pluck it or you don't know how to necessarily glue it down and things like that, there are units out there that are affordable that you can get and take straight out of the pack, and they work well for you. I'm not sure if I said it, but this is their 10-inch straight hair that I did order this time. The hair is very soft, guys. Like I said before, it's a beginner-friendly unit. I do prefer to cut my units on my head, and the reason I prefer to do that is because it gives me a more realistic look, and it helps me that I don't have to actually use glue when I lay my units down. And I did actually complete this install in less than 15 minutes with this unit, with me taking it out of the box, cutting a hairline, blow drying it, and curling it. It was all done in less than 15 minutes. So this was a process that I was able to get in and out of the door with. Also, don't be afraid to cut some of the hair off so that your unit actually does lay flat. It does have extra lace on there for those who have bigger heads, so they are not totally set to fit your head immediately. You do have to cut some of the excess lace off so that it fits your head exactly. Now, in this part, you'll see me here. I'm just going through, looking in my mirror, getting the hairline exactly where I want it so it can look as natural as possible. Because as you can see, it looks really natural, and I don't have a drop of glue on it because you guys see I didn't put none on there. I put no product, and this unit lays extremely, extremely flat. This unit, I think, because I'm Prime, so I don't actually pay for shipping, but I think it was around $72 or something like that I paid for this unit. And that wasn't bad for a very soft unit that's dyeable, that is straight. It does have a 13 by 4. I think it's 13 by 4. Yeah, it's 13 by 4. And as you can tell right now, it looks really, really natural. I really don't have to do much to it. It looks like my hair. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of setting lotion on it so that I don't have real flyaways. But this unit looks so freaking natural, guys. Like, I don't even, you know how you're sometimes at a loss for words. At this point, I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to do baby hairs or not. And I do eventually opt out of actually not doing them because I want to actually dye the hair. And if you guys want to see me actually bleach this hair in a video, let me know, and I will actually make sure that I do record that process as well. And that's one of the reasons I didn't really put a whole bunch of product in the hairs, because I do actually want to dye the hair. So if you want to see that process, comment down below and let me know. And make sure you like this video, because if you like it, then I know you want to see more of it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, really? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Like, boop, right here. Just hit it. Become part of the family. Y'all, that gum look like it tastes real good, don't it? I did not notice until I was doing the video that I actually was chewing the gum that blessed hard. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it real quick, really lightly. And I'm going to bump the front. But right now, I could leave it like it is. And it looks really, really natural. It's funny because natural is like the only word that I could come up with. Because this unit just looks so freaking like my hair. Like, I love a wig that don't look like a wig. Like, I love them, and this is one of those. Okay, so at this point, I was like, I didn't know if I wanted straight, curly, bump it, or what I really wanted to do, just because I didn't want to put too much heat in the hair, but I wanted it to be not so frizzy, so I was trying to make sure I didn't have any flyaways or anything like that. But I really, really like this unit, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you. And let me know your thoughts on this unit. If you have questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. Y'all know I love to engage with y'all down in the comments section. Let me know how you think this unit came out with this 15-minute install, y'all. And again, you see, I just take little moments and I just cut off little pieces of hair little pieces of lace as I get to it. But at that point, I decided I did want to actually bump it and curl it. So I just bumped the ends real quick in the front, just so it wouldn't be sitting so stringy. But y'all, tell me what you think. So make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up down below. Also, I am going to put some other videos up here. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.